M.O.P. Next of Kin, the takeover.
What's up with you?
Thank you. See, young one, I greet you. Who not see you, now man, may God. They get eye, they know they see, their father laugh. I swear to God, my mama say, be a with the armpit, no say eyelashes, na senior boy. Because the one with the armpit, then they shave on eyelash, na since we small, till now, they whine me. No, for you. I say Nigeria is blessed. My mama, as a young woman here, yeah, my mama say, avoid any man with a piece on top toilet seat. Because those kind of men need a feed day with one woman. If you no feel control or blah blah when you see toilet seat, how you want to take control and when you see woman. Wisdom. No, for you. I said this country is blessed too. Hey, not be small thing wey happen just 3 days ago. 3 days ago, somebody come post blue film for our church WhatsApp group. And man of God, our pastor did the WhatsApp group. You know, say normally all those kind of things, once they enter first, when everybody don't watch and the video will show blue tick. So if they show blue mark, we'll know say even man of God don't see him. Next thing, we expect comments to begin pop up. Somebody, the first comment will appear na fuck shit. And na usher, na in type am. So we know say pastor don't see the thing, and pastor say no say we know say he don't see him. So now how to address us? We wait for him to address us. That's the problem. The first thing we will see now is typing. So that is typing. We just did the cool, the wait first. For church, normally if your name na Johnson and they want to address you, they will call you Bro John. If your name na Michael, they want to address you, they will call you Bro Mike. And the person will post the blue film in name na Cosmos. Now pastor type Bro Cos. Oh boy, group scatter. I'ma leave this country. Now this Lagos with day, I go wedding on Saturday, then they share food, share salad, give one girl, the girl use a bar, swallow am. And now the girl come the vex pass, so the vex for who give her the salad. Excuse me, can I talk to you? Why? No, what? Just why? Why would you people give me vegetable soup that you did not warm? Then they warm salad. I say the country is blessed. You know, say normally get some set of people who need to appreciate for this country. Everybody will come out and say, clap your hands for men, clap your hands for women, doctors, lawyers. Nobody don't ever come outside and appreciate Ashawo. No, I talk my mind. If some of the men we dey here, we will know ourselves. We know. Say nobody do ever. It's not good. That's the oldest profession, Abi. Yes, Ashawo na the oldest profession. Even for Bible, now Ashawo use her hair clean Jesus' leg. You don't see Jesus before. Ashawo don't see him. I said this country, I said the way your pikin take sleep for night, take wake up for morning, and so you go know what your pikin go be for future. If you lie and down normal, the pikin wake up there and a normal pikin. But if you lie and down for night, you hear, you know, say that pikin go sabi gossip. But if you lie and down now before morning, you say and the pikin don't roll come here, you know, say you go sabi waka. But if you lie the pikin down normal before morning, you see pikin like this. You don't burn a shower. This country is blessed. Now before I leave here, they say if you're not good, sometimes when they talk, some people will say, this one don't smoke it good, this one. If you're not good for your brain, quit. Well done. Senior man. Normally, if you're not good for your brain, quit. Now true. My uncle from Port Harcourt, every time they smoke it go, he can't reach Lagos here. Come tell me, say, oh boy, I want smoke. I say, Baba, waiting that they smoke here and are loud though. He say, no, if I smoke and loud, go low. We say, okay. I can't carry the guy from Chevron, we'll go reach phase 1. After he don't smoke finish, one go out, he say, na me go drive. I say, how? He say, waiting, they worry. I say, no, like, he enter car, begin drive. I say, they drive, we don't drive reach Chevron roundabout, full express. My uncle stop car, open door, come down, throw back flip. enter car, close am, begin drive. Now I say, uncle, why you go enter, come down, throw back? He say, since so I dey drive, my mind they tell me, he cannot do backflip, he cannot do backflip, he cannot do back. I say, man, stop, fuck am up, your mind. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.
M.O.P. Next of kin.